In this video, how to open UEFI BIOS from Windows 11. The first method is through Windows settings. Go to the System section. Select Recovery. Click on the Restart Now button under the recovery options to restart the computer into the system recovery environment. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select UEFI Firmware. Then restart to the UEFI BIOS. The second method allows you to enter the UEFI BIOS without signing into Windows. On the sign-in screen, hold down the Shift key, click or tap the power button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then select Restart from the menu. Similarly, you can press and hold Shift on your keyboard and use the Restart button from the Start menu power options. Another way to enter the BIOS on a Windows PC is by using the Run window. Lastly, you can enter the UEFI BIOS from Windows by using Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Terminal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.